Hi. One of users' favorite capabilities of Homeschool Planet is the ability to house all your activities and appointments in the same calendar as your school events so that your kids and you can see what's going on throughout the day. Today I'm going to show you how to add an appointment for my son to see the orthodontist right on your calendar, and even how to send a reminder to maybe prompt him to wear his bands and to be ready when it's time to go. So I am going to go to next week on Wednesday the 8th to add this. Now, if I want, I can click on any day of the calendar and adjust it, but I'm just going to start out on the day I need. So I'm going to click everything else, and then I'm going to select the category medical dental. I'm going to just call this ortho, and then I'm going to click that this is for Matthew. The appointment is Wednesday the 8th, and our appointment is not an all-day activity. It is at 10:45 a.m. until maybe 11:30. We'll block off that amount of time in our case. I don't need to track hours for this, so I'm going to turn that feature off. And I'm just going to say regular ortho check on the day. Whoops, let's make it ortho. Then I want to make sure he's ready, so I'm going to give him 5 days notice to wear his bands a little more often maybe. He thinks he can pull it off in the last few days, so we're not going to debate that here. But so 5 days before, I'm going to add a message that says wear in all caps your bands. Doot, 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 doot. Then I'm going to add so that will be emailed to him at his email address 5 days before his appointment. I'm going to add a second reminder that it takes us about 20 minutes to get to our ortho. I want him to have about 20 minutes to prep. So 40 minutes before we leave, I'm going to send him another email. I could also text him if I wanted. And with that one, I'm going to say, we leave for ortho in 20 minutes. B, clearly I like caps when it comes to Matthew, ready. And so now he is going to get a message 5 days before reminding him to wear his bands, and 40 minutes or 20 minutes before we leave reminding him he needs to get himself ready and wrap up what he's working on. I'm going to hit save and close. And then, because it's a timed event, it's right here, and those reminders will go out automatically. Let us know if there's anything we can help you with. We appreciate you being a Homeschool Planet subscriber, and we'd love to help if we can. Have a great day.